First, let's see what we need. We need white paper, black paint, white paint, red paint, a tissue box, a plate, and our fingers. Okay friends, let's start. Take your black paint, dip your thumb, now watch carefully. I press my thumb into the thick black paint. Press, press. Now I put my thumb on the white paper. Press down and lift. Wow, look at that! That is my penguin's body. Don't be messy, so always keep a tissue box beside you. Now take a tissue and clean your thumb after pressing. Let's make the head. Take your pointer finger, dip it in black paint. Now print it on the top of the body. Now my penguin has a head, so cute! Now we make wings. Dip your brush into black paint. On one side, paint a small stubby wing. Short and chubby. Now the other side, another small wing. Flip, flip. Our penguin can wave hello. Let the black paint dry. Now our black paint is dry. Touch slightly. Yes, dry. Now take white paint. Dip your finger in white paint. Slowly. Now press it on the penguin's body. Press. That makes the penguin's white belly. Let's make the face. Dip your finger again. Print on the head. Press gently. Now the penguin has a cute white face. Take red paint. We will make the beak. Use your finger or a brush. Paint a small pointed beak. Triangle shape. Dip in red paint again. Paint two small lines under the body. Those are the legs. And little feet at the bottom. Tiny flaps. Like flippers. Waddle, waddle. Now draw two small eyes. Dot, dot. Penguins love friends. So let's make more. Now we have Mommy Penguin, Daddy Penguin, Baby Penguin, Sister Penguin, Brother Penguin, Sleepy Penguin, Tired Penguin, Confused Penguin, Cute Penguin, Angry Penguin, and many more. Before we say bye-bye, let's sing a fun penguin rhyme together. Stand up, everyone! Are you ready? Let's go!
Here we go, waddle, waddle. Here we go, waddle, waddle. Here we go, waddle, waddle. Penguins on the ice. They are birds but cannot fly. They are birds but cannot fly. They use flippers, splash and dive, swimming oh so nice. Here we go, slide and slide. Here we go, slide and slide. Here we go, slide and slide. Sliding on the snow. Black back, white belly, keeps them warm in ice. Cold winds blow, but they're alright. Off they go, go, go. Here we go splash and splash. Here we go splash and splash. Here we go splash and splash. Penguins love the sea. Fish and krill to eat. Fish and krill to eat. Catch their food and swim away, happy as can be. Here we go tiptoe, tiptoe. Here we go tiptoe, tiptoe. Here we go tiptoe, tiptoe. Watch but do not touch. Penguins wild and safe and free, living by the icy sea.